In 8th grade, we were offered a science research class. I always knew that I wanted to do something with science, and I looked into it and I really wanted to do it. It opened my eyes to so many opportunities we could do with science. It was just so enjoyable.
The science research program encourages students to explore in their areas of interest.
It's not restricted to one area. It's more open than other classes.
The science research program allows you to do a project that is based on you and what your interests are.
It's great because you're not stuck sitting there for 40 minutes writing down notes. You get to stand up, look at something, and learn about something that you decided to learn about.
It definitely inspires me to go further.
This program being offered and the fact that they can start this in middle school is such a unique opportunity.
My favorite thing about science is conducting experiments.
It bodes well for them in any class that they take because they're learning how to think deductively and how to use reasoning and logic.
It would really help you because you might go that way for a career.
I want to get better at science because I knew that the scientific method and this type of hands-on learning was really important for nursing.
It's not a regular chem class or a regular bio class. The skills you learn from this class you will use later in life.
It's helping me work collaboratively. It's making me have better questions about how things work in the world.
It's important to ask questions and test ideas because you can learn things, help things, create things.
Our partnerships with science research are critical. We have partnerships with Brookhaven National Lab that allows the students to do research that we just could not do here.
They get to experiment with and collaborate with scientists in all different fields.
Science research program is open to anybody. They can just go to their guidance counselor.
They get hands-on research and engineering skills that they're going to see out in the real world.
They're ultra prepared for college. That's the benefit of the program.
I think the program has taught us to be more curious.
There were so many different ways to collect data, and I just think it's really cool to learn about them and explore how to use them.
Always having that curiosity of why is this happening, it really inspires you to take those classes.
I love science and it's really taught me more about how to bounce back, ask for help from others, and how to become a better person from all of it.
Students appreciate hands-on activities and opportunities to really interact with the material. Opportunities like science research gives them that.
Westside Islip.
Every student, every day.